Hey guys, welcome back to Front Seat Driver. My name is Jason. I have another exciting install for my C8 Corvette. You know, we've been doing a lot of carbon fiber on the interior. I haven't done anything for quite some time. It's almost been like withdrawal. And I noticed that EOS Extreme Online Store had a product that I was interested in some time back. It was on back order. I finally got it again from Extreme Online Store. We're gonna check it out right now, so stay tuned. All right, so today we're going to be installing the carbon fiber upper dash pad trim covers from EOS Extreme Online Store. But let's open these up, let's see what they look like, and then let's go out and get them installed. It's a lot of work to get these open. This is two pieces. There's one more piece, but we'll just look at these two right now. We'll look at the other one later. But once again, as always, there is going to be double-sided tape, and this is 3M double-sided tape, just so you know. And so we'll be pulling that off. That's always fun. You guys know how much I love that. But check out the carbon fiber on here. You can see it. We're going to get it out. We're going to get them installed along with this other piece, and then we're going to see what it looks like in the sun. Let's go get it installed right now. So as we're getting ready to put these on, I really wanted you guys to be able to see. So this is carbon fiber through and through. So even though, yes, they are overlays, they are still legit carbon fiber, much like all of the other carbon fiber that we've installed on the interior here. You can see all that. All of this is EOS, and the cool thing is all of this EOS matches up really closely to any GM. So in the seats here, this comes from GM. So it's really, really close to what you have with EOS. So that's a huge, huge thing. So to show you the three areas that we'll be getting installed is there's one right here, and it's on the passenger side and here on the driver's side, and then over the infotainment area right along in here. So we're gonna have three pieces that will be installed. We're going to go ahead and first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and clean it off with some isopropyl alcohol to get any skin oils and any contaminants off of it to make it nice and clean. Then we will go ahead and peel the backing side of the 3M tape off, and then we will get these installed. Let's go do that right now. So as I said before, the first thing we're gonna do is wipe this area down, make it clean of any oils, some isopropyl alcohol. And it's over 100 degrees today, so it won't take any time for that to dry. And it's a little tight inside here. You're gonna have to slide that in right there. And I did a test fit prior, and it was a lot harder. So the second time around is much easier for me. Make sure this is all in place. I'll wipe it down with a microfiber towel. I will have to re-clean my windshield, but hey, all worth it. We're gonna go ahead, get this slid in. I've already cleaned it up, pulled out the backing tape, and this one is a bit of a pain in the butt because I have the Pro clip here kind of in the way. I think that looks really good. Step outside here in just a minute. Check it out. Press this down. But it's so hot, my phone overheated a little bit ago. I had to take it, stick it in the freezer to get it to work again. iPhones and the sun do not mix. Looks good out here. All right. So there we have it, the three pieces. One 2, and 3 of the C8 upper dash trim, but look at all of the other carbon fiber from EOS Extreme online store. Boy, they are really knocking it out of the park with the carbon fiber. But that's going to do it. I will have links to all of the carbon fiber that's inside my car down in the description. I hope everyone has a great week. Thank you for watching.